This 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 292 RBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features a Mink interior, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slide-out, TV, smoke detector, water heater, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, raised patio, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 292 RBK is 7,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.